Okay guys, today we have a unboxing package review from Anxiety Offline right here. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. I ordered the street bench thing and the Black Friday deal. Okay, first off we got this nice little dude right here. I think this is a sticker. Oh yeah, it's a sticker right here. There's a little writing right here. This is pretty cool. Oh, that's a good view. I have to put that somewhere cool. I like that a lot. We got my name right here, Iris, inside this cool graffiti. We got another Iris right here in cool graffiti. Super nice packaging. Got some plastic bags. Make sure this thing does not break. Alright, so right on top. Alright, guys, Iris on all the corners. That's actually sick. So we got some nice light work bushings. I love these light work bushings. I haven't tried much of the bushings, but these are the ones I've stuck with. I really like. I actually have those on this setup right here. These are the Tropics. I think this is the light purple. I'm not too sure, but I got some nice bushings. Nice little grip tape. Candy. Some wax. Definitely gonna use that. More bushings. These are the Tropics. These are the blue ones. Probably gonna replace it with this one so they match. That's my plan. Okay, we got a nice little thank you. Thank you for your support. Post a picture of you with your orders and hashtag Anxiety Offline or tag me, and a code for my next order for 10% off. That's pretty cool. Alright, so first I got a parking curb. I don't remember ordering this, but I just got another one because I have one right here. And very nice quality of stuff here. I like this crate a lot. Alright, got the street bench. Ooh, now look at this. This is super cool. I don't know why, but I thought it was gonna be bigger. This is what it's like compared to this. It has this. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were. Got some nice crate right here. It looks like he made the crate. I'm not really sure. Some nice sticky stuff. Sturdy. I actually really like this. It's marble too, so you got that nice squeak. Like, you can't hear that, but in person, this is pretty loud over here. You could also probably use it in other ways, like, not supposed to, but like that still works. Definitely planning on using this a lot in my future. Oh yeah, this is the other curb thing. I like the realism of this. Like, you can see the red paint. You see how like it fades away. Really nice stuff right here. It's so smooth too, like it's like butter. And I think he gave me this one for like a thanks for using his stuff. And so that's great. Well, I don't have any stuff on it right now. That is super cool and nice of him to give me all this extra stuff. I think I was only supposed to get one thing of this, but he gave me some extras. And so I'm gonna get ready, sesh this up, and have a great time.